Alright, I did another box opening a while back of a casting from a guy named, goes by Reza. And this is another casting by him. But this is in plastic. And I was trying to find my stock one. I have an original one. It's a radio delete plate. And he even included the little clips. And this is one of the things I was thinking, oh, maybe you could 3D print these pretty nice, but casting's definitely better. Okay, so here's the real tell. Oh, damn, that came out really nice. That came out really nice. It isn't exactly perfect, but for those people wanting a radio delete plate, these have been like hen's teeth for a long, long time. Man, that is awesome. I am quite surprised at just how good the detail is. So, that is very cool. Very cool. So yeah, when you put that in place of the radio, you know, instead of hacking up the dash, you can mount the radio in the glove box, or just put an MP3 player in it with an amp. You know, Bluetooth these days from your phone in your pocket, and not have to chop up the steel dash. Boy, awesome.